This is our new BOPHV meter, and it's working with a BOPHV 60HV stem and pulling from a 55-gallon drum with our drum extender. This meter works with all of our BOPHV products for oil, DEF, Coolant, and ATF. Super easy to retrofit onto any of our BOPHV nozzles. So this meter has registry in quarts, gallons, liters, and you can toggle through it by pressing the L key and holding it. Now it's in quarts, now it's in liters, and now it's in gallons. And then we'll take it back to quarts. You have three totals, total A, B, and your grand total. Totals A and B can be reset, your grand total cannot. So we're going to fill up an oil-safe container with 4 quarts. You'll see the flow. And as we're filling the container, we'll show you the readings on the meter. And we can reset these totals by pressing both buttons at the same time. And the third total is not resettable. It acts as a grand total for the meter. This BOPHV meter is now available and ready to ship. Visit our e-commerce store or contact your BOPHV distributor.